Rightio. It is currently Boxing Day. It is a fucking 40-degree day, but Travie wants to put his gearbox in the VN today, so we're gonna go do that. And yeah, sort of keep filming his progress with the car and that for a little bit, and yeah, until it's done. So had a few messages of people that actually, you know, pretty keen to see like a little build series on the car, so fuck it, why not, let's make something happen about it, eh? He's doing some wiring at the moment, but yeah, I'm gonna head out to the shed and yeah, give him a hand putting the gearbox in. Let's do it. Yo. So compared to how the wiring was, Travie's done some things and it actually looks so much tidier now.
Not dodgy as fuck.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like an abortion no more. Tidy. Tidy.
It's tidy as. Now I think he's going to finish doing that, putting that together, and then we're going to put it up and put this gearbox back in.
See.
The gearbox is sitting there. I've got to see if the cross member will fit. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. It's all back together now.
Let's just hope it doesn't do that again.
Yeah, well, we don't want to do that again. We fucking definitely don't want to do that again. Look at all the cracks in this fucking engine bay.
That's what happens when you don't prep shit and just paint over shit. Yeah, right, dodgy cunt.
Yeah, right. Well, that's another thing to do before the engine goes back in, I guess. Not gonna lie, at times like now I'm glad I'm a fat cunt. But he's doing that.
It's uncomfy.
Having fun down there, mate?
No.
You gonna blow your back out, mate?
Oh, probably.
Yeah, beautiful.
Fuck, I'm on holidays, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Want to go on holidays and blow your fucking back out, eh? What a dickhead. Dickhead. I didn't think you were doing that today.
What?
That.
Yeah, it's got to come out so I can start doing engine bay.
Makes sense.
So I got a lot of fucking shit to do in here.
Yeah, you do.
At least I know how to weld now.
Oh yeah. Demo's over there on the buff, so if you hear that, that's what he's doing in the background. And it's fucking hot, so the fans are going. So apologies if you hear shit in the background, but it's too fucking hot. So fans are on, Demo's doing shit over there, and Travie's over here working on this. Why you got two bloody batteries in there, mate?
Well, I just didn't change it for when I had mechanical.
Oh.
Now I don't get a flat battery when I got the water pump and fans running. Sick, cunt, huh?
Oops, strobe light.
Strobing, bros.
Travie's just putting some terminals on his power leads, hook them to the battery. The other ones are a bit dicky, so they're done now, or getting done. And then yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going to put it up, and we're going to chuck that gearbox in, and that'll be it. I think.
Oh my god! Yeah, she's a heavy dog. Ready? Fuck yeah, I go to the gym, huh?
I wasn't prepared.
400s, mate. Big dogs. They're an upsy doodles.
Did you bring that plate to go from one side to the other? Or
Yeah, it's in the box there.
Just come back a bit.
Oh, you look at that? Or did you just look at that?
What the gearbox holder?
It's Sam.
It's a proper one.
And I got another one.
Oh, you got a fully custom one.
Yeah, the proper one over there.
My one.
Proper one there.
The black thing.
Yeah. You're right. Minus the bolt.
I'm at full custom.
Someone put a wheel in you up. Brian's providing with the goods, but no, you can't custom.
Fair enough.
Travis there.
I'm going to laugh it doesn't fit because he built it for the BS.
Yeah, I'll have to borrow it.
It's. Well,
Well, bolt was comfort.
I'm going to find the bolt.
Keep note too, because we've got to wire this up in Minecraft.
Once it's in there, they hold quick. Huh?
Nice to be brand new.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, back in then.
And the vessels or whatever they are for the bombards.
Oh, yeah.
They were there.
Were they?
Oh, yeah.
Didn't bring a rattle gun?
Nah. Oh, I did.
You did? Dickhead. Yeah, there's probably one over there. Fucking goods. Now he's going all the way to his fucking car to get a fucking rattle gun. What a fucking dickhead. Oh, that's a bit better than a fucking ratchet.
Ah, shut your hole. Wrong fire, dickhead. I can do everything in the engine bay with that in there.
Look at the old OG right here.
Hey?
Got the old OG H8TRED right here.
That's when it was rigged, because I won.
Yeah.
That was wrong with the old daddy out.
I'll burn
Yeah.
that Rodney's.
Rigged. And then every cunt took me serious.
Yeah.
There you go, it's all up in there. Toby's got his custom gearbox mount thingy. If you want one, ask him, he'll make one and charge you for it.
An arm and a leg.
Yeah, an arm and a leg. But yeah, I reckon that's going to be it for the day. It's fucking hot.
Go get demos custom going. You do welding.
Yeah, they're going to do some welding or whatever the fuck they're going to do, but I'm going to go home because it's fucking hot.
Yeah.
What?
It needs some welding in the back too. It's done a lot of party. It's falling apart. Oh. Oh. See the crack?
Yeah.
Up there?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, right.
4VN.
Oh, right. Oh, well. The burnout car. Right. Well. Lights off. Camera's off. I reckon that's it. I'm fucking probably gonna have a can with these cunts and then I'm going the fuck home. It's too hot for this shit. I'm going home before I start getting swamp fever. So, thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated as more shit happens. But I'm pretty sure that's about it for today. So, yeah. Alright. See you in the next one. Peace.